What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on Yfii. And in today's video, guys, we do have a price update, price prediction on DFI money, which has been pumping up in value. At the moment it is up 26%, making it just over $1,100. So where is this crypto heading to next? Is it time to buy? Is it time to sell? Or is it just time to hold on to it? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, and as usual, giving you guys my prediction on this crypto over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at how high and how low this crypto can go. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website. As you can see, the market is up just about 5% in the last 24 hours, and DFI money has managed to gain the top spot in the top gainers list, meaning it is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. So in the last hour itself, we can see it gained a massive 8% in value. Over the last day, 31%. Over the week, 14%. We can see minimal drops over the last couple of days, and over the month, 44% down, guys, which is not looking too good at all. Since late July, it's been dropping in value slowly, and then major dip here in mid-August, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th. Even here as well, with the last few days, it's been dropping even more. But obviously today, it has decided to pump up in value. But this 31% gain does not mean nothing when you compare it to the last 4 weeks, where it's been dropping quite heavily. So going into the CoinMarketCap website now, we can see the trading volume has gone up by 50% in the last 24 hours, making it $146 million, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on DFI money. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto. As you can see, a massive 85% buy against 15% sell. So yeah, we do have a lot of people investing into it, buying it, and holding on to it for the long run. So on the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this Fibonacci scale and bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here, we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, which is currently valuing DFI money at $1,200. However, it is trading at a slightly lower value at $1,100. Meaning it is not performing too well and lower than expected. So let's zoom into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So as you guys can see, the market is up with Bitcoin, Ethereum 10% up. Over the last couple of days, it hasn't been performing too well. As you guys can clearly see, Bitcoin has dropped all the way down to 20k, but hopefully this week we should be able to see small recovery from most cryptos. So zooming in here, we do have the blue line and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning increases in value are expected. However, the lines are looking very steep, guys, which is not realistic. The only reason why we're seeing steep lines going in a bullish direction is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, it's going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case. What I am expecting is DFI money to drop back down in value over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting this crypto to take a little dip, dropping below the $1,000 mark is what I'm expecting towards the end of the day today. However, in between that time, it is going to be volatile. We may see a pump up to about 1,200, 1,250, dropping below the $1,000 mark, up and down all over the place. But the overall outcome is what I'm talking about, which is at the moment more on the negative side. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, very similar to the previous one, we've still got the blue line and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, looking very steep. But once again, that's not what I'm expecting over the coming days. So let's say towards the end of this week, very early next week, I'm expecting an overall decrease in value on DFI money. So once again, dropping below the $1,000 mark, potentially trading around $900 to $950 towards the end of the week is what I'm expecting at the moment. Moving on to the daily chart, the big boy, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Essentially, we got both the blue and the orange line going in opposite direction to each other. So the blue line is looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and the orange line is slightly slanting towards the negative direction, heading towards the bearish side. So an overall fluctuation in value is what I'm expecting over the coming weeks. I'm talking about early October to mid-October. More or less, we should see it fluctuating around $1,000 to $1,100 between that target. But again, this depends on any major updates that come across. With obviously, if Bitcoin does decide to take a major drop, we are going to see a drop in the whole crypto market. However, if Bitcoin does decide to pump up in value, we are going to see major pumps in the crypto market, including DFI money. But yeah, so far these are my predictions. Bitcoin and the whole crypto market has been very volatile since the start of 2022, and it still is unto this day. And there's no doubt it will still be over the next couple of days and weeks as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed to the channel, as I'll be updating you guys on a regular basis on most cryptos that I cover on this channel, to what to expect, what to predict, and what price target is likely to hit. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale on the daily chart to do some technical analysis. But as you guys can see, it's not looking too great at the moment, as we are trading in the red zone, and we have been trading in the red zone since early 2022. So since mid-January 2022 is when we initially dropped into the red zone. We did try to peak back up here in February, we failed, dropped back down, tried again here in March, failed, dropped all the way down, and yeah, ever since then it hasn't been performing too well. Yes, there's been a part here, when was this, June and July, where it was popping up in value, hitting about $2,200. However, ever since then it's been dropping in value, and for us to hit the green zone or hit the resistance target, we're gonna have to hit $2,500 at least, and that's talking about going for 150% increase at what we are at the moment, which I'm not expecting anytime soon. So more or less, guys, for the rest of the year, it's very likely that we are going to be trading in the red zone and potentially head into the green zone early to mid next year. But again, as I keep mentioning, it all depends on how the crypto market performs, and especially how Bitcoin performs in specific. So yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on DFI money, guys. Let me know what your expectations and your predictions are on this crypto, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, as I've seen a lot of positive as well as a lot of negative comments around this crypto in my previous videos and in my DMs as well, and online as well, saying it's a scam, it's a pump and dump token, and others are saying it's going to hit $2,000, $3,000 by the end of the year. So comment down below and I'll be reacting to your comments in my next DFI money update. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick one on DFI money. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and also a massive thank you and a massive shout out to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.